Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to UMIDIGI G5 Tab. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Now you need to install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, launch it. Then set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Following that, you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of UMIDIGI. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access those files. If you want to select any apps to transfer it, you will have to confirm your choice in the pop-up after selecting Send. When you're ready with all of your content selected, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And if you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in the pop-up. Now choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on UMIDIGI, close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And then tap on the Receive button to connect. When your transfer is done, you need to close all of those ads. As you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!